Welcome guys to another unboxing. This one's going to be a noisy one because I'm 3D printing in the background, but I still want to get to know what's going on inside this package. So I apologize for the noise. Come on. Oh, here we go. I'm so glad this finally arrived. I'm interested to see whether this teeth whitening system actually works. Here you go. Smile Direct Club. Got this off Walmart. It's supposed to be similar to the Snow and to another product, Pure Bright or something. But anyway, we'll see if it's any good. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay. This is promising so far. I haven't wrecked the box yet. I want to turn it this way. Okay. And actually you can push from the bottom. Oh no, you can't. It's been glued on. Oh, great. I hate these things. They're very useful, but they're hard to open. Okay. So when I was pulling on this side of the box, it was gripping onto the other side. Okay, but once you cut that open, it comes out nicely like you see right here. And what you have here is one of the instruction manuals, I'm guessing. It congratulates you for buying the thing, I guess, here. No, it talks about aligners. Alright, I'm not interested in that for now. And, okay. Oh, okay, I guess that's all there is to it. But I would have expected there to be more, like whitening gel. I guess the whitening gel does not come with a product. Great. Well, who came up with that? Alright. Well, I guess you need to buy that separately. It doesn't come with... this is for charging the appliance, or you can attach it to your smartphone, but I guess it's going to have to be an Android and not an Apple product. Oh no, okay. It has an adapter for that. Cool. So you can connect that up, and you can connect it to any of the it has a Lightning and a C2, I think, plus the regular USB. So anything that you want to do, actually this part is good. And whether it works or not, we'll just have to see when I can get some actual material that goes in there. But yeah, there you have it. Smile, what comes in the box? Not everything you need. See you in the next one.